Find the value of minus 113 upon 79 raised to 0 into minus 1 upon 2 raised to 5 into 2 cube into 3 upon 4 the whole raised to 2. So here, while solving this, remember one important part. Anything raised to 0 is 1. See this law of indices. So x raised to 0 equals to 1 always. So our expression becomes, this becomes 1 into minus 1 upon 2 raised to 5 into this same as it is 2 cube into this same as, now just bring this 2 inside. So it becomes 3 square upon 2 raised to 4. Means what? Earlier it was 4. 4 means 2 square, right? And this 2 has been brought inside. So 2 raised to 2 into 2. So 2 raised to 4. Got it? See, I have explained it over here. 4 equals to 2 square. So 4 square equals to 2 square raised to 2. That is 2 raised to 4. So our expression becomes now, forget this 1. Minus 1 upon 2 raised to 5. This 5 you can bring inside. And 2 cube into 3 square upon 2 raised to 4. Now solve this. Whatever gets cancelled, cancel it. 2 cube and this becomes 2 raised to 3. So 2 raised to 2 remains, right? 3 and 2. 5 minus 3, 2. So 2 plus 4, that is 2 raised to 6 in the denominator. And in the numerator, 3 square as it is. So this becomes 9. So minus 9 upon 2 raised to 6. But what is 2 raised to 6? 64. In the exam, if only it's given in the terms of squares and cubes, keep it in the terms of, this will also remain 3 square then. Keep it in the terms what is given. Otherwise solve this. Okay, whatever the answer is, you have to solve.